guys, and today I'm going to show you my 2020 room update. So when you walk in, you can be like, it's exactly the same Patrick. No, it's not. It's really different. So let's go ahead in my room. This is my brother James's room. Guys, I'm showing them my 2020 room update. So you guys, this is my room. Yeah, this is my room. So yeah. Let me face myself now. Yeah, 1 sec, you guys. I have to. Sorry, 1 sec. My bed's a little messy. Yeah, because I made it this morning, but it's kind of messy. Okay, so yeah, you guys, I have to actually keep the light off because I need to show you guys something. Have you guys ever heard of LED lights? Well, I have them in my room now. And they're like, you guys can't really see them because, yeah. But this is my remote. So we will put them on. Done. Done. Ta-da, this is my new room. So this is like my LED lights. That's like the only thing that's for new in my room. Actually, no, it's not. This is the last thing that's the 3 things that are new in my room. So let's go to the second one. I call this my music studio. My guitar, my ukulele, and my electric guitar back there, if you guys can see it. I made this. This is my bulletin board. And I drew this of Shawn Mendes. I'm going to be an artist when I grow up. And a singer. And I also drew this. This is my Roblox account. And let's go over here. This is also new. I drew this. This is my teacher's signature. My signature. This is the date when I made it. And my sister's signature. So yeah, when everyone comes to my house, I'm just gonna I'm gonna make them put their signature on that paper. My Shawn Mendes calendar. I'm like the biggest fan of Shawn Mendes ever. And this is the thing that I just hung up. I drew this when I was 5. And yeah, it's horrible. Yeah, you guys, this has been a really short video. Yeah, you guys, I have to end this video here. So I'm gonna make a video tomorrow about Paige's update. And yeah, so so if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe down there. Make sure to put a thumbs up, and make sure to comment down below your Roblox username. This is app called Small, and make sure to comment down your Small username. I will comment down my Roblox username and my Small username down in the comments. So yeah, Captain America will say bye for you guys. So Captain America, take over. You guys, so make sure to subscribe. And yeah, when Patrick already said. So yeah, you guys comment down below your Roblox username and your Small username. So yeah, bye. And Patrick will thank you, Captain America. I'm a big fan of Marvel. Yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow morning. So peace out.